How to make a pig. For this activity, you will need a glue stick, scissors, a pencil, A5 pink paper, A6 white paper, an eraser, and a black pen. Step 1. Using the A5 pink card, fold it in half along the short edge. Step 2. Draw a line around 2/3 of the page down from the folded edge. Step 3. Copy the drawing shown in the demonstration. As you can see in the demonstration, we first draw 2 lines towards one side so that it makes a snout for the pig. Then curve the top of the other side to make the back of the pig. Then draw lines for the slotting of the ears and nose. Step 4. Cut along all pencil lines. Step 5. Draw 2 triangles. They should be around half your index finger. Step 6. Curve the edges, then rub out the original lines, then cut them out. Step 7. Cut out a thin strip of pink card, around 3 centimeters in height. Step 8. Stick the ears together, fold the strip in half and slot it into the pig. Step 9. Draw a circle from the pink card around the size of half your thumb and cut it out. Step 10. Draw 2 pencil lines near the edge of the circle and cut it out, Then, slot it into the pig. Step 11. Cut out a strip of white paper along the longer side with a width of 1 cm. Step 12. Fold it in half and cut 2 cm of it in half along the creased line. Step 13. Curl the strip of paper with a pencil, as shown in the demonstration. Step 14. Stick the tail with the 2 split ends stuck on either half of the pink card. Step 15. Draw the face and snout of the pig in pencil and copy over it in pen afterwards. And here is our finished product. The pig was demonstrated by Rachel Lamb. The video created and edited by Victor Lamb. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy.